Hi everyone, my name is Gerald. Today I am going to teach you about how to download and install MPLAB IDE through the official website of Microchip. So here is the download link. I have given this download link in description. You can just click through it. So while clicking this link, you can directly go to the browser and it will download it. So you can choose your location to save. So I am already downloaded, so I am giving cancel. So go to the download location. You can find the RAR file of MPLAB IDE and this version. Today I am giving you a version as 8.92. So this is the latest version. So just right click on it and give extract to MPLAB IDE. So to make the separate folder for this, for that I am giving it this. After that you can find the MPLAB IDE. So you can just click through it. You can find a bunch of other files. You can just click the setup button. You will ask about the yes or no of access. So you should give yes. After that the file will get installed. So here some of instruction is given. You can just give next. You should select as I accept this term. After that you should select complete and give next. And then if you want to change the file location you want to change, or else leave it as default and give next. And here also asking about the agreement. You can if you want to read it, you can read it and just give next and give next. Here you can see what are all the program present inside it. You can give next. So the installation is started. So this installation takes some time, so I'm going to fast forward this video. So now the installation got over. You can just give the finish button. So no need of this, you can just cut it. So that's all, the program is got installed. So you can see the icon in your desktop. You just double click it. So that's all, the program is opened. So how to create a new project? So to create new project, you go to project wizard, project wizard. So give next. You should choose your device, what microcontroller you're going to use. I'm going to use as PIC 16 of 877A and select it and give next. After that it will ask the compiler what you want to choose. So in this series I'm going to use assembly level language. So for that I'm using Microchip MPASM tool suite. If you want to choose embedded C, you should use the high-tech C compiler or any other C compiler. While explaining about embedded C, I will show you how to download and install high-tech C. So now we can continue it. Give next. And you should choose the folder path and the file name also. So click browse. I strongly recommend you that everything you should in a separate folder. So I'm here created PIC 16 of 877A assembly level program folder. So you should create a new folder for this. I'm giving test, and inside that you should give the file name as, so I'm giving test here also, and save and give next. So here you don't want to anything to give next and give finish. So that's all, our project got created. So to write a program you need a text editor. So to open text editor you should go to here and click new file. So your untitled text editor will open. So you can write your program and you can save it. For assembly level language, for example, I'm giving just a 2-line program. So BCF 3,5 BSF 3,5. So if you want to know the annotations, you should save this file. So it can be C or assembly level, whatever. So you want to save, then only it will show the annotations. So click Ctrl S or Command S. You will get asked for a file name. You can give here also test. And the main thing is you need to give the correct extension. So for a assembly level language, you should give .asm. This is extension for assembly level language, and give save. So here you can see the annotations are color code for each and every instruction. So here all other steps are done. So after writing the program, you should do compile. So before compiling, you should add this file to the source. So here is the source file. You should right click on it, add files. You should choose the ASM file. So here the ASM file got added. So after that you can give build all and give absolute. So build failed. Why build failed? I didn't give the end. I think so. That's the wrong thing. Yes, because of every program should end with the end instruction. That's my wrong thing. So after giving and saving that, I'm other building. See now my program is build succeeded. After build succeed, you can go directly find the hex file and you can just upload it to your microcontroller. That's all. So you can see that our workspace is overwriting the files. See how it's overwriting. To arrange this, you can go to window. You can give tilt vertically. So your windows will be arranged. You can see view each and every files. So in my next video, I will show you how to fuse the code to the PIC microcontroller, and I will show you the hardware setup and in another new software for dumping the code. Thank you. See you in next video.